Good morning, everybody. Staffer is live here in Spain, going to Benidorm. It's the 23rd of June. Now, this is a celebration of San Juan. Celebration of San Juan, what is it? Woo, you're gonna find out, you're in for a treat. All I can say is keep watching this video, subscribe for all the newcomers. Don't forget to hit that button. It's 31 degrees, it's so good to be in the water right now. So yeah, everyone's getting ready to celebrate San Juan. What is San Juan? San Juan is basically the celebration of the solstice, which is the longest day of the year. It's supposed to be on the 21st, but they celebrate on the 23rd. San Juan, aka Saint John. Saint John the Baptist is supposed to be the person that baptized Jesus. Everyone here, the locals, the tourists, everyone's gonna come down to the beach and celebrate. I've got some silly friends of mine saying black man can't swim, black man can't float. We'll see. This event is not only for adults only, kids, entertainment. A lot of people around here so far. It's not even dark yet. Sunset's going down. I could have sworn I heard loud music somewhere. That's what I'm aiming for. I need a bit of drink down my pipe hole. I think I need to liven up now. I'm hearing some music. I want to dance as well. Hello, hello. Yes, little man. Huh? ¿Qué strip?
Is one record.
YouTuber.
Ah, you are YouTuber.
Sí, sí, sí.
¿Cómo te llamas?
¿Ah?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Stuff is live. ¿Tienes teléfono? Oh, bless him. He wants my YouTube channel.
Busca. Your name?
Staffer is live.
Rafa is live.
Steven?
Escriba él.
Yes, Steven. Oh, I got him there.
Thank you. Nice.
No problem.
Goodbye.
See ya. Bye, guys. Okay, slowly picking up, people picking up the crowds. A lot of people's wearing white, everyone's wearing bright colors. So with this celebration, it includes bonfires, fireworks, food, and with the fireworks, one of the people said that they normally create a fire in the sand and everyone jumps over it. I don't know if they're still allowing. I don't know if they're still allowing that as well, because I was told that they stopped doing that. There's this thing as well when you have to write things that you wish for or things you want for forgiveness. You write on a piece of paper. You either throw in fire or throw in water. It's this old ritual they used to do before Christianity times. So yeah, of course, when John the Baptist baptized Jesus, Christianity came after that. So that's why they're celebrating San Juan. This is so cute, look at this. The oldies are making a circle. Let's bring it on, let's bring it on. everyone seem like they're making their own group in their own circle, so they're gonna go wild. So check it out. It should be live. It should be live. Yeah, bro. Huh? ¿Qué dice? Tinto. ¿Ese es tinto? Oh, gracias. Oh, ya sabes que estás. Yeah, yes. I don't mind, no problem. Where you guys from?
Claro que no hay problema, es que te lo voy a
¿Dónde eres? ¿España?
Sí, aquí.
¿Aquí?
Benidorm.
Oh, muy bien. Gracias.
Nada, ¿qué ha venido de vacaciones?
¿Te gusta
Sí, vacaciones, sí. Por YouTube. So, yo soy youtuber, sí.
¿Sí?
Yeah.
¿Cómo te llamas?
What's up, guys?
Today,
El start of the...
Oh, summer. Vale, okay.
Poco, yo también, un poquito de inglés.
Okay.
Lo mismo que tú de
What happens at night time? At 12 o'clock. 12
de la noche. Sí.
Yeah. What happened? What happened?
¿Qué pasa? Pues nada,
todo el
hay
mundo
que
se va a la playa y se moja los pies.
mojarse los pies.
Sí.
Tú también.
También.
Lo tienes que grabar,
Claro.
Tienes que grabar.
En San Juan lo que se hace en verdad es en un papel escribes en plan, los deseos para el año que viene, en plan, como para todo el año, y lo quemas. Lo que pasa es que ahora en la playa no dejan quemar, no dejan hacer fuego.
¿Es la verdad o no verdad?
Sí,
No, sí, de verdad, de verdad. Que por qué no dejan hacer fuego o el por qué hacen eso.
Alright. Es interesante.
¿Cómo te llamas en YouTube?
Stafa is live.
¿Cómo? Mira.
Subscribe. Muy bien, gracias. No necesito hablar
Hablas
español,
despacito, pero lo hablas bien.
difícil.
muy difícil.
Muy difícil.
A mí me ha pasado lo mismo con el inglés. Porque estamos solo yo en la cámara.
Oh,
¡Ay, Oli!
let's stop this.
Nada, no.
Yeah, lines. I mean, the crowd's picking up now, so this is gonna be lit. Now down here, let me see if I can bring the light in. You have everybody gathering around in circles. You've got a few people passing out blue bin bags in circles, so they're making sure that they're not littering. That's so interesting. Everyone's lighting up a candle. I think it's because they can't light up a fire, so they're lighting up a candle instead. You know what? I thought someone's gonna hold onto each other's waist and do the follow the leader, but it's not. I think it's the Spanish version. Oh well, this is not soca. This is soca music, but I don't know. Man, all I'm saying is, if you're drinking here, there's only one toilet. I was actually thinking it was gonna be a really wild night, but it's a controlled party, which is good. All I can say is if you don't have a good bladder, you're in trouble.
Quisiera verte, convencerte de que vuelvas a perderte. Quisiera volverme y otra noche en tus besos perderme. No como tú y yo, si nadie puede ser como tú y yo.
Oh shit, it's 12 o'clock. This is when everyone's gonna jump in the water. Oh shit, let's go. Everyone's at the water right now. Oh shit, let's go. Oh. So basically at 12 o'clock, people writing stuff that they wish or for some kind of forgiveness on a piece of paper. Then they're gonna throw it in the ocean, and then they're gonna obviously jump in the ocean. Oh, there's a big line. Okay, let me turn the camera around. Should I join in? ocean right now. It's a good feeling. It's nice and warm at night. Why not get yourself wet? I'm only going in the water because I'm taking a pee. Don't make it obvious. Don't make it obvious. Forgiveness. I can smell Palo Santo. I smell some sage. People going quite spiritual up in here. Definitely enjoyed it. Everyone done their little ritual, asking for forgiveness, praying for things, jumping over a wave and diving in naked or not naked. It was an interesting night. That's my night ended. Gonna look for a taxi and head home. Hope you guys find it enjoyable, interesting. And that's my night done. Have a good night, guys. Until next time. Peace.